It has a capacity to activate the healer within, doctor within, to do healing, to do maintenance, and to do optimization. So that internalization is important. And practice of chanting with bodily sound. There are different chanting that we can do. Some mantras carries meaning, some mantras does not carry meanings. If the mantras carry meanings which are normally positive, that positive meaning, understanding of the positive meaning of the mantra will help bring positive effect to the mind. If you do not understand the mantra, the vibration that mantra brings in the system will help improve circulation, stimulation, and optimization. There are some mantras which does not have any meaning, like rim, cream, rum, lum, wam. These types of words are also used in yoga to stimulate, to activate, and to vitalize specific areas of the body. These meaningless sounds are called Bija mantra in yoga. So any mantras can do, but some mantras are useful for some people, more useful for some people. So there are some common mantras like Om, widely used in practice of sadhana, because Om is proved to be the sound of nature, sound of creation. In our body, all the activities which happens inside create different sound, and when all these sounds merge together, they form a collective sound. That sound resembles the sound of Om. Similarly, all the activities going around outside create different sounds, and when these sounds merge together and form a collective sound, that sound resembles the sound of Om. Similarly, few years back, Space Research Organization, American Space Research Organization called NASA, did some studies and found that Saurya Mandal or the galaxies also creates different sound, and these sounds merge together to form a collective sound, and that sound resembles the sound of Om. And when you practice Om chanting, you will be able to synchronize your internal energy with universal energy. And when that happens, the pressure that you feel because of the situation going around will reduce greatly. This is the primary reason we practice Om as a main practice in Yoga Sadhana. It has nothing to do with religion. It is simply a science. Let's do it with Om chanting for 3 times. Slowly open your eyes. As you open your eyes, wide open your legs within the mat. You can open a little more if needed. Great. Keep your feet facing forward and parallel to each other. Inhale, you spread your both hands at your shoulder level. Now, turn your right foot to the right side between Trikonasana stage. Breathe in again. Breathe out to lead your body to your right side. Remember, right side ही करनी है, ठीक है सबको, नहीं तो symmetry अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Go to right. Push yourself a little more. Exhaling, drop your front side hand down. Just to touch the ground with your front side hand. And push your other hand up. Make it strong, look up. Pull your abdominal muscles in, pelvic a little forward. Stay and witness. Be there for around 15 seconds. I'm going to help you. Just stay, witness. Wherever you reach is fine. As you hold, witness the effects. Try to spread your hands as if you have spread your hands at your shoulder level while standing. You need to maintain that level. And just stay like that. Very good. Push your pelvic forward, shoulder a little back. Both hands are in the same level. Maintain awareness. Neck is strong, head a little up. Breathe with focus. Stay with awareness. Let's do it for around 5 more breaths. Great. Stay with focus. Keep breathing with awareness. Last 3 more. Front foot facing forward. 2. Great. You are in this position. 1. Exhale to drop your upper side hand down. Try to cross it all the way to place it on the right side. And inhale to take your right hand up. Look at your upper side palm. Hold and witness. I'm going to help. Be there. Your target is to keep your front leg also straight. But if it is not happening, in that case, there is option. You can bend your front leg slightly and then you can place your hand there on the left side. Push yourself a little up. Ideally, keeping your both legs straight is important. But if it is not happening at all, it is not compulsory. You can simply modify and make it a little comfortable. Last around 5 breaths. As I say, you can slightly adjust. You can bend your front leg if it is not happening at all. Let's do it for 5. Keep breathing for 4. Keep breathing for 3. Keep breathing for 2. Keep breathing for 1. Great. Inhale and exhaling, bring your both hands down and take your both hands maximum forward. If you are comfortable, you can place your hands together in Namaskar. Otherwise, you can rest your hand down and touch your shin bone with your forehead. Stay. Those who are comfortable can place their palms together in Namaskar and Mudra. Just hold it. Be there and witness. Stay. Keeping your both legs straight. Pulling your abdominal muscles in. Making your breath deep and rhythmic. Go down enough and hold. Keeping your facial muscles relaxed and comfortable. Inhale and exhale deeply. Go down enough. Your target is to reach down all the way. Wonderful. Very good. Great. From here, we'll move to the next step. Inhaling, head up. Push your both hands forward and stay there. Hold. Keeping your back flat enough. Take your hands forward and be there. Stay with awareness. Let's do it for quick 10-second holding. 9, 8, very good work, wonderful. 7, push your hands maximum forward possible. 6, be there. 5, 4, great. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale to raise your hands up. Now, shift your body weight more on the back side leg. Push your hands a little up and stretching your throat. Looking at your thumb, hold it. Be there and continue your breathing. Be aware of the effect. Push yourself up and back enough. Hold and witness. You can do it. Come on, try. I'll help you. I'll help you. Modify kara. Come on. Bend your front leg slightly, then it will become a little gentle. Raise your hands. Good. Let's do it for last 3 more. Great. You can slightly bend your front leg if you find it difficult. 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Exhaling, bring your hands down at your heart center and into your side. Inhale to spread your both hands at your shoulder level. Lean your body forward to the left side. Exhaling, drop your left hand down. Inhaling, take the other hand up. Look at your upper side, palm, hold and witness. Neck is strong, be there and continue your breathing. Inhale and exhale. I'm coming to help. Be there. Neck is strong enough. Look a little up. Yes, very good. Excellent effort. Breathe in and out. Let's do it for last round. 5 more breaths. Keep breathing with awareness. 4. Smile everyone. Good. Yes. 3 more. 2. 1. Exhale to drop your upper side and down. Cross it all the way. And inhaling, take your left hand up. Neck is strong and look at your palm. Hold and witness. Be there. Stay with focus. Just enjoy the resistance building up. You are growing stronger. Yes, you're doing wonderful. Feel the effects. It is all about improving your overall control over your body. As you develop control over your physical body, gradually your mind and emotion also will come under your control. And it is going to be the journey of self-improvement and ultimately self-transformation. It is just a journey. Wherever you reach is fine. If it is not happening, you can slightly modify, as I mentioned before, making your breath deep and rhythmic. Now, exhale, drop your both hands down and push your both hands forward. Go a little forward and drop your head down. Those who are comfortable here can place their palms together in Namaskar. Be there. Hold and witness. Wherever you reach is fine. Be there for last round. 5 more breaths. 4. Smile on your face. 3. Keeping your legs straight possible. If not possible, you can slightly bend your front leg. Last 2. 1. Looking forward. You can push your hands forward and stay. Hold and witness. Be there. Abdominal muscles in, hands forward. Just hold. Smile and hold. Let's do it for last 5 only. Yes, Lipika, you're doing good. If needed, you can slightly bend. Very good. Stay. Try to lock your elbows. Fix them. Keep them strong, as if your hands are made of single bone. Very good. Yes, Harish, you're doing wonderful. Looking forward, inhale to go up. Push your hands up and back. Look at your thumb. Hold and witness. Stretch. Enjoy the resistance with a smile. Yes, Sally, you're doing wonderful. Keep your hands straight, lock your elbows, push yourself a little up. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Good, Preeti. I think you can go even more up. Yes, yes, yes. Up more. Down is not the target. Going up and up. Great. Let's do it for last 4. Well done. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale to bring your hands down. And turn to side. As you turn to side, deeply breathe in. But I do this side. As you turn to side, deeply breathe in to spread your both hands at your shoulder level. And keeping your back flat. Dhanurasana. Stay. Hold your witness. Be there for 5. Come on, everyone. Who is there? You can do it. Excellent. Be there. 3, 2, and 1. Exhale to release. As you release, exhale straight. Palms below your shoulders. Come off from the front. Go back to rabbit. Stretch your back. Knees together. Forehead down. Contract the abdominal muscles. Make a breath deep and rhythmic. Look forward, go forward. Lie down on your stomach. Now, low crust pose, Salavasana. Hands below the thighs. Raise your both legs up. Stay there. Just for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and down. Exhaling, release. Remove your hands. Curl your toes in. Palms below your shoulders. Coming up from the front. Go back to mountain again. Making your breath deep, smooth and rhythmic. Go forward. Lie down on the stomach. Now, take your both hands forward. Hands together. Deep breath in Uttanasana. Go up and stay. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling down. Holding can be increased gradually. As you bring your palms below your shoulders, go up and back to mountain. Looking forward. Take your both legs forward. If possible, you can do it with jumping in a step. Otherwise, you can do it in 2 steps or 3 steps. Whatever is required. Legs straight. Great. Once you take your both legs forward, raise your both legs and raise your both hands. Be there for some time. Stay. 5. Normally, you are supposed to hold it more, huh? You're doing only 5 this time. Smile and hold. 3, 2 and 1. Great. Go back. Stretch. Push your hands up. Fold your legs. Bring your heels close to hips. And hands to both sides of the head. Let's go to next pose. Wheel pose. Chakrasana. Go up. Look at the space between your hands. If possible, keep your legs straight. Since we're targeting core strength, it is better to increase the level of resistance. Hold for 5. Yes, you can, Nilamji. 3, 2 and 1. Very slowly come down. Extend everyone. As you come down, hold your knees in both. Hold them very close to chest. We're just completing the sequence for today. Raise your both legs up. And support your back with your hands. Go to Sarvanga and Halasana. Five, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Go to Halasana. Be there. Normally you can increase holding time. 3, 2 and 1. Very slowly bring your spine down. Do it vertebrae by vertebrae. Once you bring your spine down, legs straight, exhale to drop the legs down. As you drop the legs down, we'll move to the reverse asana, that is fist pose. To do fist pose with focus and core strength, it is a good idea to do with a straight leg, with the support of your hands, lift your upper body to rest your crown, and once you do it, bring your hands in your heart center in Namaskar. As you place your hands in your heart center, raise your legs toes pointed. Stay, legs at 30 degrees. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release your legs. And with the support of your hands, bring your spine down. Once you come down, it is very important to complete the practice with relaxation. For that, stretch your body, Supta Tadasana, and then place your hands below your head. Fold your legs, having some gap between your legs. Breathe in again, and breathe out to drop your both legs down on the left side, turn your hip to your right. Stay for 5. Make sure your both elbows remain down. Your right knee is touching your left heel. Being aware of the effect for 2 and 1. Inhaling up and exhale to change. Be there. Witness. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhaling, come to center, keep your legs straight, stretch your body, roll your hands and relax for some time. Relax in Savasana. Without a suggestion to the whole body to be relaxed, having some gap between your both legs. Make sure your spine is grounded. You can slightly move your legs to feel the comfort in the legs. Let them be free and bring your awareness in the middle body. Move your middle body to feel it and adjust it and drop it down. Bring your awareness in your hands. The gentle movement, relax. Neck movement and relax. Facial movement and relax. Having increased awareness of your breath in the body. Inhale and exhale deep. With joyous feeling and with a smiling facial expression. Enjoying total comfort altogether. Inhale and exhale. With every inhalation, be aware of the effect reaching to every part of the body. With every exhalation, be aware of the effects in the whole body. Realizing with the inhale breath, body is getting rejuvenated. With exhalation, body is getting lighter and detoxified. Enjoying the effects all together. Inhale and exhale. Now, keeping your eyes closed, take a left arm and you can place your left hand at the pillow and slightly bend your legs. The right hand on the side. Just relax here for 5 breaths. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit comfortably from side. Deep breathe in and out. Being aware of the body with closed eye. Let's do Brahmari for 3 times. Slowly bring hands down and rub your palms to make them warm enough. Being aware of total comfort in your whole body. Cover your eyes in the palm. Feel the warmness. Very gently massage your eyes and rub your palms on your face, your head, neck and your throat, arms and shoulders, your front body, your side, your back, and bring hands down. With a smile at your face, blink your eyes. Slowly look right and look up, raise your hands. Roll it and bring it down. This is the sequence that you practice with more focus and more desire. And this is not the only sequence. We can make many other sequences depending on the level of equivalent or level of the practice. Good. Thank you.